What if tonight the ground beneath your feet just kept going, but the planet didn't? No explosion. No warning. Just Earth quietly hitting the brakes. Earth has been spinning for over 4 billion years, faster than a jet at the equator. That spin shapes our days, our weather, our oceans, and even where life exists. So let's imagine the impossible. What actually happens if Earth stops spinning? Number 10. Everything starts flying sideways. At the equator, Earth spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour. That speed is invisible because we're moving with it. If Earth suddenly stopped, you wouldn't. You'd be flung eastward faster than a bullet train. Oceans would surge across continents like moving walls of water. Cities wouldn't fall over. They'd be swept sideways. And that's just the first few minutes. Now, let's see what happens when gravity gets weird. Number 9. The planet reshapes itself. Earth isn't a perfect sphere. It's slightly squished, wider at the equator because of rotation. Stop the spin, and gravity slowly pulls the planet into a rounder shape. Water drains away from the equator toward the poles. Imagine oceans crawling north and south, exposing massive new land masses. The equator becomes a dry, cracked supercontinent. And suddenly, coastlines mean nothing anymore. But day and night are about to get even stranger. Number 8. One day becomes 1 year. Right now, rotation gives us day and night every 24 hours. No spin means no daily sunrise. Instead, one side of Earth faces the sun for 6 months. The other side freezes in darkness for 6 months. Oceans boil on the sunny side. Air freezes solid on the dark side. Life doesn't adapt. It migrates or disappears. And the atmosphere starts behaving very badly. Number 7. The atmosphere goes rogue. Air is moving because Earth is spinning. Take that away, and global wind patterns collapse. Super hurricanes form at the edges of light and darkness. They don't move. They just sit there, grinding the surface. Storms last for months. Rain falls non-stop in some places and never falls in others. Weather forecasts become pointless. And the magnetic shield is next to fail. Number 6. Earth loses its invisible armor. Earth's magnetic field is powered by motion inside the planet. Rotation helps keep it stable. Without it, the field weakens. Solar radiation reaches the surface more easily. Satellites fry. Power grids fail. Auroras appear everywhere, not just near the poles. The sky glows beautifully and dangerously, which makes survival even harder. By the way, which of these surprised you the most so far? Number 5. Gravity feels different. Here's a weird one. You actually weigh slightly less at the equator because of rotation. Stop spinning, and gravity evens out. You gain weight instantly, just a little. It's not enough to crush you, but enough to notice. Your body feels heavier, slower. And now imagine climbing mountains in that new gravity. Speaking of mountains, number 4, the ground starts breaking. Without rotation stress balancing the crust, tectonic forces shift. Earthquakes increase in strange new patterns. Volcanoes wake up in unexpected places. Some regions calm down, others go wild. Mountain ranges crack. New faults appear where none existed before. The planet doesn't explode. It groans. Number 3, life crowds the twilight zone. Only one band of Earth stays livable. The thin line between eternal day and eternal night. Temperatures there are survivable. Water exists. Air moves. Every surviving species migrates toward this ring. Plants, animals, humans, all packed together. Civilization becomes a narrow strip chasing a moving sun. And even that isn't permanent. Number 2, the oceans turn against us. With no rotation, ocean currents collapse. No Gulf Stream. No warm water highways. Ice spreads rapidly from the dark side. Sea levels drop, then rise, then drop again. Marine life crashes. The food chain snaps. The ocean, once Earth's stabilizer, becomes chaotic. And finally, the long-term fate. Number 1, Earth slowly becomes unrecognizable. This wouldn't end in a day or a year. It would take centuries. Earth would still orbit the sun, but it would no longer feel like home. Most complex life would vanish. What survives would be alien compared to today. It's a reminder that stability is rare in the universe. And motion, even invisible motion, keeps us alive. There's an old saying, nothing stands still without consequences. Earth proves that every second. If this blew your mind, tap like and subscribe for more cosmic what-ifs. And next, check out what would happen if the moon suddenly disappeared.